This video, we'll try to write more general code and explore how to parse the code based on operator precedence. We are rewriting some functions of our parser class. In our new matching function, we will check if the current token is one of more than one type, and this will save us from code duplication. The list named results will contain Boolean values for whether our tokens match the function parameters, respectively. The parameter given to the matching function as none assumes that the current token matches. If one of the parameters of the matching function is a list, we check whether the current token matches any of the types in this list. If these two conditions are not met, it is possible to exit the loop and the matching function early here. Now I realize, ha ha ha. Let's try. Here I forgot the tokenizer function and manually typed the tokens one by one. Shameful. As you can see, the first two tokens matched. Now we test whether the first token matches a name or number and the second token is equal. We have an error. This is overridden. As you can see, the first two tokens matched again. Now we try to see if the first token matches anything and the second token is equal. As can be seen, the first token was ignored and the second token matched. Triple match also worked. It shouldn't match. Our matching function works as expected. We are also updating our match function to perform multiple matches. Let's try our match function. It worked as expected. Now let's rewrite our parse expression function. Parameters named left and op will be passed when our function is called recursively. Thus, when we encounter a second operator in an expression, we will parse it according to operator precedence. In this line, we give priority values to the operators. We check if we are at the end of the statement. If there is a semicolon, we are at the end of the statement. Let's try. It's working as expected for now. Let's add our operators to the list of symbols in our tokenizer function. If the next token is a name or a number and the next token is an operator, we recursively see if there is more than one operator in the expression. Before this check, we have to check for recursion. The sequence should be like this. We can see if there is recursion by taking the left variable into account. Operator priority control. For now, it worked as we hoped. Let's start with the multiplication. This is not the result we expected. If we put this part in the list, we solve the problem. Let's try again. It worked as we expected, as multiplication first, then addition. Have fun!